the current phase that I am in my life right now is coming to realization that we have heard about self actualization, self realization a lot in the realm and the world of spirituality. And I learned about it during my yoga teacher training and learned about the Advaita philosophy of Brahman and Atman, of we being a piece or a part of the greater cosmos, but never really being able to embody that, to live in it. And it's been 2 years since then. I've learned a lot more post that. And what I've come to realize is that one can only self actualize or self realize once they are safe in their body, in a regulated, safe space. While I was in dysregulated survival, to grasp and embody and truly live and understand what self actualization or realization is wasn't possible. And that's where the work of nervous system regulation, understanding the states of survival and the states of creation came into the picture. And today I understand that self understanding that you, who you are, why you are here, and what's the meaning of life. So my journey started with exploring these questions. I am nowhere close. I'm still learning and exploring. Being healed or being constantly regulated is not a state that we would want to reach. It's not the goal. But being able to come back to that realization, being able to come back to that truth again and again is the whole point of taking on this journey. We all have been somewhere on our journeys where we have felt disconnected with ourselves, with our life, with what we are doing, with whom we are. And with constant social media and notifications and distractions today, a lot of external noise, we are far more disconnected and isolated despite being surrounded by so many people. So that's when the questions about the meaning of life, what are we here to do, starts arising. Some take this courageous path of exploration, a few get and continue with that life and default, being scared and fearful. No path is right or wrong, it's the one that you choose for yourself. There are a lot of things around in the world: yoga, Ayurveda, trauma healing, parts healing, uh, psychology, shamanism, nervous system healing, and a lot more, which basically does the same work, get you to the same place, back to yourself. And in my own journey, I've realized and understood and learned that in order for one to realize the self, the higher self, one must heal. One must face the past. One must integrate the shadow and the wounds. One must regulate and face and sit with the emotions that we have put aside for years and years, thinking that it's not important, they are not useful, and it makes us weak. But the true power, the true awakening, and the true light actually lies in integrating your shadows and regulating and allowing your emotions to flow. By doing that, one can find a lot of freedom within themselves in their mind, and one that internal state is flowing, more or less the external world starts putting itself into place, coming in alignment with your internal state. So everything actually begins inside out. So yes, that's the ultimate work of my life. I've come to an acceptance that healing, self realization is a lifelong work. It's not starting from point 1 to point B, and it's a straightforward path following very defined blueprint, and what works for me will work for you. It's nothing like that. We all are multidimensional beings, and we each one of us is bio individual. So we all have very different personalities, very different tendencies, very different character, based on which everyone requires different thing, different tools, different modalities, and all of this eventually caters to the truth that you are meant to integrate or face. I think that's all from me today. Another thing that I'm learning in this phase of my life is to allow imperfection, allow progress over perfection. Being a perfectionist all my life, I probably would not even want to release this video. I'll cringe, but I think that's the courage I'm building to put myself out in the world, imperfect, incomplete, um, work in progress, because that's all who we are at the end of the day. Confused human beings just trying to figure out life and make our own way. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.